You know, guys, I never really say this, but it is okay for you to touch yourself. Yeah. Ladies, you too. Go ahead. Go ahead and touch yourself. Go ahead. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Oh, yeah, I'm looking. I'm looking. Yeah, wink, wink. I'm looking. Yeah, I just want to make sure you was doing it right. Intro. Is that a bit awkward as it was for me, as it was for you guys? Great. You know, because being uncomfortable brings us together, and now we're a family. That's right. Beautiful, what's good? Vinny Matthews here. Thanks for checking out the channel. And today we're going to be talking about that one important thing that doesn't get talked about when it comes to growing your dreads. Let's get right into it. Now, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't worry, I'll wait. Yeah, this is me waiting. All right.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm still waiting. Cause you right there, yeah, right there in the back. I see you. You didn't like it. You didn't. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Oh, you. Okay. We're here now. Now, when it comes to hair growth in particularly, we're talking about dreads. I feel like this is one thing in particular that gets overlooked. It's kind of tabooish in a way. It's kind of like it's just not talked about. Why? I don't know, but it's very important to you. Now, it brings it all back into the intro when I was talking about touching yourself, and that's, you guessed it, guys, massaging your scalp. Now, massaging your scalp does so many wonders for your head, and I feel like if you really want to grow your dreads, your hair, or anything in your body, you have to massage your scalp. The benefits of massaging your scalp is it wakes up your hair follicles, okay? Once you put your hands into your hair, it wakes it up, man. When there's blood flow pumping through your body, it will grow. It's like blood flowing, pumping in your chest or in your lungs. Your heart is pumping all the time. That means it's growing. That means it's breathing. That means it's alive. It's the same with your hair, okay? But too much biology into you? Okay, think like this. Fellas, look down there. Yeah, go ahead. It's nice, isn't it? When you are excited, what happens? There's blood flowing through that, you know, your little thing, yeah? That's like, it's you know what that is, and then gotta stop with the jokes. But yes, so fellas, when you want to think about it, when you are excited, there's blood flowing going down there. And what it does, it grows naturally right up, and that's exactly what happens to your hair. So, and the thing about this, about massaging your hair, is it's free. We are growing our dreads for free, faster, for free. We don't need nobody else to do this. We can do this ourselves. We can do this 5 to 10 minutes a day in front of the TV, us eating food or just hanging out with friends. Just sit there and just massage it, you know? Don't be one of those guys like, oh, okay, I'll massage for 30 seconds, I'm good. No, treat yourself. Get your hands actually in there and massage it, man. Don't be afraid to touch yourself. Touch your body. Touch your body. Oh yeah. Coming. Tell me. Yeah, here I am. Don't be afraid to touch your body, especially when it comes to hair growth. Trust me. I don't know why this isn't talked about at all, but it is very important. There's some YouTube videos out there that tell you, oh, do this. Like, nah. If you want something cheap, you want something easy, you want something free, you want something you can do right now, where you sitting at right now. You can be watching my videos right now, watching all my previous videos like you should be doing, boy, and just massage your scalp. Trust me. Wake up your hair follicle, wake them up, and just massage your hair. All you need is your fingertips. I know there's little instruments out there that helps you do something, like we don't need that, okay? There's something about skin to skin friction that opens up, that creates chemicals for your body that your body just enjoys, okay? So get your own skin to your skin, or get somebody else to do it, you know? If you're a pimp and player, you know, you get somebody else to massage your scalp for you, but that's pretty much it, guys. Massage your scalp every day. Whether it's like waking up or going to bed, massage your scalp. Trust me, your hair will grow. I started massaging my scalp about my second year of me going into my dreads, because my dreads was kind of itchy, it was kind of dry. And I feel like once I started massaging my scalp, it just, all the dandruff, all the dryness just went away just like that. So guys, pay attention, listen to your Uncle Vinny. I tell no lies, I tell you guys that all the time. Go ahead and touch your body, boy, girl, we all touch ourselves. It's cool, man. I ain't judging. I'm not even looking. I'm not even looking. I'm looking. Okay, you got me. Well, guys, this is Vinny Matthews, guys. Hit that like button, hit that share button. Comment down below what you guys think about touching yourself, because Vinny tells no lies. Vinny don't tell no lies. This is Vinny Matthews, everybody. I said everybody, but I meant to say everybody. This is Vinny Matthews, everybody, and I'm out.